Hi, I'm Emily. Today, I want to tell you about something beautiful. I went on a nature walk last weekend. It was one of the best mornings of my life. I was feeling tired and stressed, so I decided to do something new. I joined a local nature walk group. They meet every Saturday in Bluebell Forest, Oregon. The morning was cool and fresh. I wore my sneakers and a light jacket. Birds were singing in the trees. The sun was peeking through the leaves. We walked for about 30 minutes. Then we stopped to plant small trees, little baby trees. Everyone picked a spot and planted a seedling. I named mine Hope. The soil was soft and smelled like rain. I got a little dirty, but it felt good. There were butterflies and small wildflowers all around. As I planted my tree, I felt calm. It was like the forest was talking to me. I realized how beautiful silence can be, and how peaceful it feels to give back to nature. We walked deeper into the forest. The air smelled like pine and fresh earth. I saw tall cedar trees with dark green leaves. Some trees were so big, I couldn't see the top. On the ground, there were little mushrooms, red, brown, and white. I stopped to take a photo of one. It looked like a tiny umbrella. Beside the path, I saw wildflowers. Purple, yellow, and soft blue. They were dancing in the wind, like music I couldn't hear. There was a small bush with berries, but I didn't eat them. They looked pretty, but I wasn't sure if they were safe. I also noticed a spider web between two branches. It sparkled in the sunlight like a piece of art. Nature is such a smart artist. I heard the sound of leaves moving. Something small was there. A squirrel. It ran up a tree and looked at me. Its tail was fluffy, and its eyes were shiny. There were also birds singing different songs. One bird had red feathers and a loud voice. Another one was very small and moved so fast I almost missed it. As I walked, I started thinking. I wasn't checking my phone. I wasn't in a hurry. I just looked, listened, and breathed. I felt peaceful. Like time had slowed down just for me. The forest felt like a friend. After a while, we returned to the starting point. I looked back one more time. The trees were still. The light was soft. I smiled. I felt proud of the tree I planted. Maybe one day I'll come back and see it all grown up. You can practice your English like this too. Speak about your day. Tell your story. Even a walk in the forest can become a great English lesson. I'm Emily, and I hope you feel calm and happy after hearing my story. Let's take another walk together next time.